Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Google AdSense pin not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser, and once you're inside here, on the search bar simply type in YouTube help, and once you loads, tap on the first link that is shown to you. And once you're inside here, now what you need to do is simply scroll down and then tap on contact us option. And once you tap on contact us here, what you need to do is simply type in AdSense pin and then tap on next, and here you'll find the option that says AdSense pin issue. Simply select it and then tap on next step. Now here what you need to do is you'll be provided with the options. Now if you want to chat with a live person, what you need to do is simply tap on next step, and here you'll be provided with the option to chat. Simply tap on it and then tell your issue to the person or who is in the live chat, and then your problem will be solved. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.